was a very much. Yem fast da mfa matwedi ampon do boss ro boss ase ne da hofra onyame de acheye eda yawada very special day ene the 6th day in the month of August 2020 onyame de ache mraso se edwumade atene sirupi ya transe hwe na yenya mre esi nsam no pi e wa ha obra bedwafo nso atumi atenase midin de Michael Nana Adumakon obe frame say Mike ne mentra free sabra kopem say no sia papa ho minute aduasa 6:30 na ye be sorry store yem fast da emfama ya boafo ada biara da mo na dom sika so asene me de dwumadi no de ebro that cause health service e Kumasi mensia museum ho a na omo ewo omo say ope PPs papa atwa especially say ope hand sanitizer and afi nose mask atwa oba obetumi abwawo na wama obi sanso na Jonat Herbal Clinic Dr. Sibra na afi Arabia ha obia no omwa na ontimi enhwew onu kunhia na uhia ya bon se nsu e wo se ekọ na de baba na nsu na se sane baba obetumi abwa Arabia ha obia no bra na Dr. omwa God's Way Casket wase konya aba e de ama won se bia dofo bia frimu na opese wo ye na brempon yi adaka obe yusu ne de obe ye ni na no oba obetumi abo empo besia na opa Kumasi Asafo Labor Runabout ho na God's Way Casket omo nso betumi abo na afi aseda ne bi enso enko ma the award winner Muhis Herbal Center no na the year 2019 ye bona baso so doctor ode bibidro etimi ese ne yare pa no odum anwoma so do me abra Kumasi ono nso kan ho de dwumade no brewo me once again Michael Nana Adumakon from Mr. Mike. We are live on Facebook, Kumawu TV, YouTube, Samdakus TV, and all other social handles. Nina so obey me enyayen ewo eho. So we are also live on Kumawood Radio Online. Also obey me etie live anyway na atenasi benyamre na yetumi edi enkomo. Bobeka ya babawa be a friend Tracy Wache. And afi so Miss Bell. Sensem bi aba be ma omaware omo ono mu deti some de bebre enei His Excellency the former President of the Republic John Dramani Mahama, the leader of the NDC ona kasa na yere Lordina Mahama be kasa se Tracy Boache na Miss Bell some no mo kan ni kunu abamu no ni kunu ompenda da Mahama onye tutu ni enti omunyi no edi enfem free ma honkomo ewa ha ebenyamre na yetumi edi sanso na enei na the Electoral Commission of Ghana the mass registration exercise no odina ebe wie nyame ya adom a memenda ne consider on the 8th and then on 9th of this month na obeye mop up ewa the various district offices at Electoral Commission edi ne juma and also ewon share no ntie enei over 16 million no na Ghana for register me mafa kora kasa na initially no na yesen na kasa doso ena abe register ena abe do say ebenyamre na ebie feature na kono enyamre aya analysis na di ho enkomo eye nso e wa ha me no kasa information na eba e say Amansia South DCE minipa William Asante Bidiakon, His Excellency the President of the Republic apamono papa no na okan say galamsey ne de enye galamsey anka manso abrosan ni ho enye galamsey anko bi nse na ntoka papa bia o manso nti he supports galamsey. His Excellency said there be the all keka no, it means that the fight against illegal mining no no any amampani enya adwene to amampani eyi na di information na eba eno ne benyamre na ya domosuko ewo ho ne ye mofra omotwere wasi second core paper omotwere ne social studies. Now before the paper no na the students of Trinidad Akodia Senior High School omde a chopa e de ama amampani na Ghana for mpani nyina se some of kan ye obra omkotwere integrated science no penifo emfa encho mo one who say video be cover honorable Ascent Central member of parliament Canada Japan can say yenua kuma and as yenua Samijamfi communications director for the NDC obetumi atenete just a minute na no na I be nsem bibiri amane Samijamfi de Canada Japan ahwa kopie mu ewo CID say wa threatening no nti omomfre no na omonyemu enhwehwe mu eno so ho nsem ewa ha ebenyamre na yetumi edi ho enkomo the novel coronavirus yare no guso a ha Ghana for da me no ka say 39,642 cases na ya record na omom ho ato mu ewo that number no no 36,384 new cases are ya record 567 and then your 199 deaths 199 deaths and ya record on my Ghana shedding so say yare no eguso ha on my Ghana se biya wa ebi enim de ba ko dru nti bo homan na e follow all the safety protocols no na entumi emwa no so ewo na opani aka mo be kai amampani da Rollins ne pen so the first vice president we know aka na kana enei working with Rollins book Professor Kwame Ahoy actually and o chiri say sa vice president nya no yeso amampani da Rollins born asum nya no kre nimum se bapa se vice president on ho ye ne de pa yesi no no a so ya buy on ho ofen kwa de onya wane on fa nche okra no kra kan obi na ma Rollins ebufu nu a opam no no ebenyamre nsem no edoso ewo aha ebenyamre na yetumi edi eho enkomo enura John Dramani Mahama His Excellency ekotwe ne din ewo Savannah region Bole na otwe ne din no aka nsem bebre nsem okan ebenyamre na nei yesi nkonya yi yesi nupi awe se de okan no Sarati o my Ghana na wampani kura no kasa no pene dada kasa wose 8 years of hardship ibum kasa da bi o wampani ekufa do bai 3 years 7 months into 8 years no ano na fumo ya na esen na esiten some okan ye no ebenyamre na ye di ho komo na ne ye two issues e be discuss pa no ye de wampani dada JDM ekan ye and I feel so you assess NPP 2016 manifesto 2016 in some of them on education in some of them on one district one factory na employment and I feel so in some way and on roots you be nyamre na ya assess we na ye twa home rights here Nana Jesse regional communication team member of the NPP so and our in shares constituency communication officer or ha Moro Yakubu and so a regional communication team member of the NDC Omufi Right, yes, I'm Makwaba and Famra Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Your views, your thoughts, your comment. 0543-596-070. We screen any abuse numbers nugo fa na afi fa wajen channel fa sobra. So on Facebook, Kumawood TV, on YouTube, yes, Sam Darkus TV. Wait me so I join you on afi yedin komo. So we are also online. Kumawood Radio online with me. Atena say mraso say Sinupi Nana Jesse regional communications team member of the NPP. She so away or your communication officer for the party. Nana Kwaba.
Yeah,
if you have a call here.
I'm Adam.
You see I check. Is that napkin so when you grow moon? Bema Cassie about napkin.
Let me hear Anyazo. And I mean your papa.
Baba son and Salis.
Me Unaza wouldn't him. And I wouldn't my goodness. I don't know who catch him zone within your main count. Napco phone and channel. And Yaman I made Napco boss. Sure. And then Yaman I made Napco regional coordinator. Your Napco regional monitoring and evaluation. We coordinate the district coordinators and report to the regional coordinator. So if you have a come.
As a post no so monitoring and evaluation. Until the order babano.
Until what said and
I so
every day is one as a
what I said, the order babano Aquamujina so. As Napco, a Katiana BBI, okay, dear. Money in Polanica.
Oh. Me know because as we speak, you car up to July.
Up to July.
Yes, it's car up to July. July payment and or more expected within this week. Friday, I'm watching now. Everybody. Okay. July payment.
Right.
Any arrears be I want to come here. The trainees know say the Bimu Crampo the Abba just 2 days ago. Okay. And then it will be for a minute the Abba. Those arrears are. If you have Nino, non USN number, okay, and then the name mismatch, those have been corrected. Okay. On my strategy on
Moro Yakubu. Akwaba. You have a call here. You say that. Echo was no nya bianya.
Or recount the successes and so on and so forth. Of this, catch His Excellency and now the Donko for and listen, Mike here. And the enemy to the chair was in the year in the SSC to my see from city. The CCB so as the same amount before time. Cecilia, Mudamun Sasha Mutuma and see from CCB. Okay. Near my course to see and see what for some more kind of borrow. So we to our royalties grant to you.
Okay, I'm saying
a blue bride, friends are to see from you to breakfast.
The wedding.
Near my wedding. Near my wedding, a castle is and was a young thrown and get a quantity crank and your bash and the coin to Yama and another one. We won't call them your machine. So I get here. I could go for
as an wedding.
I'm more and training one more. And so as you can force him to make a okay.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Election year different from all.
But I say we are not in ordinary times.
Oh, according to $1.2 billion. We are not in normal times. $1.2 billion.
Well, Moro Yakubu, a regional communications team member for the NDC, NFA, Nana Jesse, and so for the NPP, Wufia. Ye DONKO, Agenchen, Fabra Nyamre, and Kinkai, and Fa, and Mao. But before you remember a main topic, no, it should be as a social media, na Mariam, you know, from celebrities, almost to bomb, we can, we can. But then surprisingly, and year bashes were now the wife to the former President John Dramani Mahama, Lordina Mahama, Mr. Babontin, Abekasa, say, a Mayan some Mokano, or every more for Nikun Mahama, na Nikun sono, when your community husband, the Mayan in Yas or Mokazan, Ominiku Trimpanano. Young Cotier and some no Marian no Tracy Boache and a Mesber, Eka, Ama, the former president too, Nere Abiyano, young Cotier Nafi, Yemfa Mitik.
Some men cow, men how, men yawashi. Like how the fuck? A bitch, relax. You are young, I'm old.
Yes.
I've done it all. Get to hear me, Timwin, Titi. Minimum pressure. I just shared wisdom. Listen to this wisdom. Wow. And young Kwana penny do. I japadiamo. Enu mebre. Ani. And social media near way and to my fin. A hatao. Wedding qualasem. Wedding quasiasem. Auntie Dinah, Miami Antia. I will put them. To see a day. Auntie Dinah, the only one, a coach. Was mamma in Casa. Into no audio no part 2 of her. Made the bedroom and some woman. It's wisdom.
When is one sense of coming?
Yeah. So I'm an ultimatum. Say,
Oh, by now, Monday. So one for brand new camera to social media. Let us own your level. I feel come and can be. And then me by my own say, we know you did what here back into your own competition. Oh, yeah, catchy. Young boy Monday from a net to Monday. So one posted brand new, and I make sure to post it a chain media because I craft one of your doors. Me send me his only check. Me toss you 15. Me put me. When is one sense of coming?
so I'm an ultimatum. Say,
Oh, by now, Monday. So one for brand new camera to social media. Let us own your level. I feel come and can be. And then me by my own say, we know you did what here back into your own.
Right, yes, I'm a quaba. And we a celebrities me know I'm more Ghana. Tracy Boache and Afi, Miss Bell, and I'm tomorrow. And no, and release a free the office of Her Excellency Lordina Mahama Eho Abba, dated 6 August 2020. I'll say, my dear Ghanaians, offensive rumors. And then it goes on to say that it is with profound sadness that I have been forced to break my long silence to respond to recent development in this our beloved country. I have been married to my beloved husband, His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, for many years, a major part of it which has been spent serving our country. I would like to I wish to state for the record that my husband, the president, has been a faithful husband and father over these years that we have been married. He is not perfect, but none of the things he has been accused of is true. I would like to advise all well-meaning Ghanaians to treat the latest rumors with the contempt it deserves, and will also advise the 2 young women involved in the shameful public drama to be mindful of dragging innocent people into their personal problems. President Mahama is my husband and mine alone. He is not a community husband. Sincerely, Miss Lordina Mahama, former First Lady, Republic of Ghana. Nina nese Tracy Boache so neni kunu Mahama twempana pen. Ana ona ne twempana. Ena Miss Bell so ona Mahama twempana. Nti ombi no man bi no etoto bom ho. Ena omanpanira da Mahama na yira beka se da bi ni kunu nya community husband. Ono nko an odo no. Ono nko an wa Ghana fu ina motia. montugo moro I don't know where get to be I am take na me makra
man ya kra ya sha se communication ya de no ko na me kra wuni mo be bia wuni si o be bia na we be ni no so when say no be si aka no kra say we no mo na da so ye so one and so it is you know the possible liver hallucination real
okay
and for that matter send former first lady about one tia be canon in fact may for all you know you can the president then go say President Mahama Mpoa at the end of the day I don't think say we issue here was you wasted so much time
oh sir say a man you know come former president na na yera be kan ho asem no ni kwa say e kan ho
o me ya you so we have a president na said we are as fine as President Mahama, very gentle and very handsome. Na say a mayor come home with him one, and you want what I say. Then say yes, a car, a son of one, and a man's idiot. And of course,
I'm very strong. Go back far. I'm for back. Be
na former first lady. You couldn't be perfect, but and Senna everybody is highly innocent. It's a map. I believe say baby omo kwa kodru no omo dey omo ni mu tree for man enwa wo as the week be one can maiwa said the esi so foforo na omo left to the right na sani ma we ombe and they say Mike yeah it is a kra udru baby I say
e kun ho
kra hwe yan shada mu nya sa
and I don't know any because I am going to be any other person than a sexual gentleman.
Sani medical can tell.
Sani one would you on
Sani ekosinya ante.
Rollins or who?
Sani ekosinya ante.
Unya ku for na dear man so now currency.
Sani ekosinya ante. Ah, eti ko dina ba bi kan say president de kufu ado sani botumo mo ka say ni wo dwane num keke. E betumi aba say saa na wo nsu ya.
Na ni ada na former first lady ever so.
Ne former first lady can say say no ya koye me say amanfo bi person mo drag the name of President Mahama into it, whereas and so on and so forth. And as a husband what trusting and of course who in statement now will you be how faithful even though I admit so you on your perfect name with this kind of issues na bobo bana there na me anim no pray ni kunu enya den enka ho yen treating no start na and someone a day sabi at the end of our table so say yeah and one quite cheap
but the lifestyle of Obi also made the Biazun here because as a leader Baba allegedly was say nipa on the champion what for Diamond why we yaman
one more President Mahama
and President Mahama's wife maybe Yano Senini Kuma.
India President Mahama area be on social media and people are predicting sanity. And of course, two ladies, let us not forget to say during the 2016 campaign, now we are very integral with regards to one celebrities can NDC campaign. And if such is going on now, people on say unambiguous.
Well, it will be what I say. On Beneda Mahama Yeda Casa said, that you, Ninkuma.
I am in chair, I shall for an chair, a year, and chair something. I am chair a year, Kumasi for Muti, na Napo for Muti or more shame, which shall be beer. Let it truth, and she I saw, Adishia, and she I saw executives, at Jumason Yabo, and they had the last day for the registration of the voter register and boy the so and polling agents and the district electoral area coordinators are every and cry a tool a home exercise successfully. The figures are quite encouraging. The Damun as say Omu Yajmasoi, Emma a party no, and Ghana Mania. Now a beyond so young car a Namra was a idea to tease a yard, America crazy, say, young chassis me. I say, with the Nanka, no crying, I smell a little bit of, smoke doom. That the immune is am I worried immune? My way or more adults are on Casa Mokano, Omuno right, and Omuno left. For Miss Bell to come out boldly to say whatever he said, I don't want to repeat it. But from your word, I walk out there. I was a master of Mutani and I. Sapa, sir, Grandma back on your watch here. Ah, could you be not so back with one? Nothing green having ya. The borrow de wo Mahama fa Mahama fa ni hu de wafa. Sa fa de hu de wafa. I just say mabuno amango na ya mabuno na dia ho. Olumu anu so ba be gymnasium no ne mabuno no ya de e to abrobo. Se mambo ah obo na bo sa amango. Okay, o ka sa no. Obo asemo kai no. Ana konko tiba asemo kai. Akoto sa amango ya bere. Position kakra wo benya ayindi. Ghana celebrities na inja ma.
But this is Saturday, no man, no politician.
Pedigree now one is the highest seat of the land. It is the highest seat of the land. And the Yemen. And the Yemen. Let us say Ibrahim Mama. Sit to my natural. On the put your flaunted. Never will use. Ah, now Ibrahim Mama, you flaunted it. Say yes, on the Yema. Okay? It's normal. But for the former president of the Republic of Ghana, Sarah international team with the Bia say they see the local schema or they break the seat. As I say, or try everything. But on this app, so a person must be nice. Please, although you 100%, I might. Bema Bena was say what Trump Bema Chronomica. Ah, please. Ah, Bema Bena Trump plan and get or come on Ukraine. Tampi. And the former president, I knew be on Canada. Now the Canada my wife. Ah. If Nadina telling us say my mama own now or no amuna warrior. Please, young person you say national television you also wait teaser. Me anya idea me major about achievement or by that friends incompetent achievement or they begu friends Ghana for anyone no. Ah, sa indecision. Okay? Sa Ghana kunya kesia obegu nanu wase no. No, and here I say, who buy and achievement, okay, and then another DONKO for the achievement of the buyer, and you ever compare, and yes, you know, for the family issue.
Now, in Yamre and King Kai and Fa Emma, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, former president, leader of the NDC, Equatorial Guinea, no call you know, or they say me at Tuja Elmo. You could see Emra, Yaba, Yamre, now, yes.
Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises. One village, one dam has not materialized. Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises. One village, one dam has not materialized. Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises. One village, one dam has not materialized. Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises. One village, one dam has not materialized. Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises. One village, one dam has not materialized. Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises. One village, one dam has not materialized. Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises. One village, one dam has not materialized. Let's register and kick out this non-performing government. It's been 8 years of abandoned projects, 8 years of failed promises.
Right. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama Enra, some of the two job register we say, mine no, say under the leadership of another Okufuado, who na bon profo, who na profo, Ghana for don't know what registration quiet crano, ye booby, na suja force mo kind. And again, I say, in fear watch and they be another from here. In fear and I will you know. Or mine now wants to woman yako, wants to a pa or mine one. Say, Yamea don't Nagana folk, you register more at top of one or bar, or never to be that. Now, Bassa Passanum and Timmy once a day, the jib for mine now, channel. That's all actually. Moro, my better than I can't say you. That's what I'm saying. First of all, 8 years ago, I think I'm not from and one welcome. And I'm there. Jumano adults, which are registration in Moons and by President Mahama now 1 day cry. Walk Hano Baha and the nationwide, the and so on and so forth. And I mean, Ukraine, the better 8 years. No. What he was trying to say is 4 years of Nana, and of course, in the name of President Akufuado 4 years, and President Mahama also 4 years. Now, almost track record according to President Akufuado and the veteran. Say, Sadia, and I had before I attended and this for. Say, President Mahama 4 years I will be shy as President of the Republic. And then the President Akufuado Buzuya will track 5 months. I mean, every day. Senior President Akufuado, I say, Aboboya, any Range Rover, a boom sound.
But every achievement, my statements are nice comment on Mickey and say one or minor. I say, independence will be
and cry. Samai, Mokrans and Truffle Crownias will be okay. Anas, Aramea, Anas, General, and any players are. Number 12, right?
I'm sorry.
Good. Ahmed Swali. I know Dimutin by and so on and so forth. Okay, say a member of parliament after said the number 12 number Bontia, and my you who said Katasisha Proyani can add to Kuro Ghana football. Ah, no, you who be at the Befa, Anas Armea, and any general Ahmed Swali. It's me, my you who said, if you have boss, I know my you who said. The father of Ghana football, or no moon, and you Ghana football, and so on and so forth. In a member of parliament, the free NPP Akachi, the ruling party, led by His Excellency Nanato Danko Akufuado, in names were the champion of human rights, and so on and so forth. Ma, said a member of parliament who should know better. Eddie Ahmed Swali, our undercover journalist, underline the word undercover. With undercover journalist, this will be a crash at and so on and so forth. But dear Branty, but to live TV. And if I may quote him, Sir Branty, Fontan Taiwi, and a coyer, Sir Adi, Etiacosin Antechi. Or no, Emma, we have what said the Catasisha Proyeni can one year baby. Said the boarding who know this, Susan, the boarding, and so on and so forth. And Bonapasson.
President Akufo-Addo ayan hwe han a member of parliament through on one akati, and of course Kennedy Japan me ate ase say before sir ben beba power no the sika eka ho. He is a sponsor of the MPP in opposition and even in power, and so on and so forth. Our yet Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo Totomuntu, the undercover journalist, photo about 2 TV, so live TV. I said, I'm ranting a big kutu passe. Some mushia papa, baby, I'm mono, me, I'm a muska, and so on and so forth. And in know an answer, and you come and met to and so on. What is it, BBB, about a family? Of course, I am President Akufo-Addo, darling boy, Kennedy Japan, the Kaye, and Unti Crano, or Babontin, because I was for craft and I won't call. And then they know me a new baby, Yakusi. I met Swally, the Buka. Yes, again, Edward Adeti, our Star FM correspondent for Upper East. On also made we have boss every Jaja, now or the bride at the detriment of service citizens and our border against Shanzin mining. So we are down by a blasting beer, so I'm going to pay for my good beer. Now, a brandy did be more who say, irrespective of the fact to say, Shanzin mining the activities you couldn't depend to know. You do a more codina court and a court to be boom for an anchor compensation because they are more or more a kumo, Sabi, a bushing for. Wouldn't you go see it? A whole appointee of His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, former regional minister of Upper East Roxen Bukari. A command with the DT, a man of 5,000 Ghana city, some and motorbikes, say, my name fans and name, and so on and so forth. A brand was it not a promise, no promises of a company, no, a moon, up its car 5,000 a month. However, whatever, must a minister appointed by His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, a human rights lawyer for that matter, involving himself with some corrupt activities and so on and so forth. Of course, we know meaning saying this and Kebanesa. Edward Adeti and Peniswa didn't send the PA. The same Edward Adeti to me not the fee. Yet again, Sir Oberkai Manasseh Azore a yen shemu. Emma Yehu said President Akufo-Addo Brown workers a sebi. All political parties, including MPP and NDC, and Kotanase. Now, you shall say you're vigilante variously, or you be and so on and so forth. No one done no more sabi biabroni Emma or no one casa ne bodyguard, former bodyguard, I should say. A trainees I would launch the I group. And say my kunim ye humpa ne was our training. And Rantia near training woman, according to Mulida, was a week here. Mantisi Atim Mubia. Now, what you are best in Conodia? Young Samokran and never kunim ye nubi. Munsham Husuye, Nano Crab President, a bar function Biasia, Umusa Madrasa Kamakama was an uncle for Benny, was on call for I say, said the entry woman, now elections to draw, or Mama may send them, and so on and so forth. Ah, Massa, video no account when I'm in America. Baby, you're training into a highly security area. Ah, Saminu me say, Michael Jensen training. So, call crown up information with the Abuagana and so on and so forth. I just saw depending. Now, so how would long see any opportunity to go there and train and so on and so forth. Manasseh Azore, it has to take West Africa for Media Foundation. Say, because South Africa. And yes, sir, I know what you mean, and them. Even media freedom is curtailed under a human rights lawyer, His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. Again, opening Cassie. So one and another Danko Akufo-Addo, Sabe, Anko, Ana, Angura. Even one Kasani party mono, at the end of the day, when you're safe. I am telling you, yeah. Sir President Akufo-Addo, and Shani say we in a close circle. Will be a sabi, what you to moi. Want to me no one call, Emma, i.e., nano primaries or Moko. There were so many areas of protecting MPs living. But this one money a boy and Katie Hammond. A boy and to freeze any young because he's not a darling boy of His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. When it comes to discriminatory ruling, His Excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, I just want to body. Chrome has say a quack for 2 hours. na nipa yam hihye no e won ye course wa ya waso west wagon fani kase ya waso west wagon ani ehu mranti a na o mo hye kaki pieto ahye national security atade na anu say national security nso so his excellency na nado danko kufuado na chairman ana meboa na wo ya national security chairman na wo ma sa hoodlums yi hye atade bo kaka motobi ye hu o manim na mranti yi botuo tutuo ma eti obi nan and so on and so forth. President Kufuado take commission ma commission ni hwehwem ye de Ghana sika me no umi elu sika ko hwehwem commission recommendations so de buy say some rantie na infiltrate national security ni police no yam prosecute bebre ni bebre adi and so on and so forth and zugu police one what is that President Kufuado dey aye and nyama say yeah sa registration we the hoodlums asaka omo bi sa dress rehearsal na you hu no aye was west wagon and na bom ayi sa akoko mpesa e de aba bedru sa registration aye ama enne banda abranti a wo kwakọ register abranti e tretre ni o say mai me no mienu ni ya tretre for ye because we tretre ni enkwada afa wonsem ene teacher training na wo be banso abonten na nkwaba be boa Ghana se ne wo boa Ghana sisi say mai ene nkwada afa wonsem ni ade na won ba so many of them are professionals enye Ghana no waboa ene ya wo tie se en so on and so forth Ghana timi na so fa so because you are a teacher na ne teacher trainee anko oba be boa Ghana see the invisible hoodlums etimi akuru and so President Kufuado so one thing he bio yetimi bo MP asum na police ni ejina hono on carry under the watch of His Excellency Nana Danko. A home minister etimi botuo our registration center Emma registration officers etu omunamu mirikama ne ka ompa war registration. President Kufuado say minister konekodu minister and of course President Kufuado through how akumsi amia say and there will be ampetuo nhye ne ho because the best form of defending yourself is to shoot rampantly to send a minister near here. Look at the culture of impunity under His Excellency Nana Danko. Look, if you are under this current dispensation, I wouldn't safe. Except to say we are close circles of His Excellency Nana Danko. We don't be able to say we are not close circles. Are we safe?
Right.
Does it mean say you bet you say
I don't think so. Yes, I'm better than Mahama say or mine dodo no nyama nkoyi oman wo jato ho oman a on benda da Rollins ene kofomu jato ho enye oman ni hu ni sesei to ba o never to yi uni aka di nti omu hu se oman no wona meti ya no si meti
that was na kwanya da mai na nzencha party for you mutie ene Ghana for you no kwani nyame ne medini nya na wo ya but segregation, it's a talk is cheap. And yeah, send ne pa yet here. Another Danko Kufuado ability. Meaning, said you are Becassa ye. Wakasay, waka upon 1 day. A patrol, or basic form, no one real, no one could fear, no one could direct, no one did the other. As a free and you know. Nenso osoria opese okreti an impression say Ghana adane offense etutra say my nothing at all tie and what is and you only the now be can say the woman na me be can once more would you allow me to flow the person me ya let ya say John Dramani Mahama under the dispensation in year 2014 police report recording 400 murders. 400 murders. And in 2015, so a report was, and every year they increasing. Every year, telling you, okay, onimwa ebia na woswa but the America channel say hwe you have the tire ofidie 8 arrested over Nkwanta South DC murder under a year former president or administration Nkwanta South DC a certain DC and this is for to travel go round office quality. Pokuno. Masa, pokuno. Omukoku ni wie no, me pacho. Mr. Sir, omo afa anya aba ko se di ya. Ayo omo general secretary, asedi bicha. Onu nukrom DC wa se mi eke. When to me am sit there. I'm found hwɛ yɛtea ɔka ɛfɛnsɛ nsɛnkyerɛ for me pacho hwɛ ɛba saa nsɛm no krampa a wonim ɛfɛnsɛ Bokrom Estate sɛnkyerɛ ni a ɔno yɛ koku no ɛne yɛ ka ho asɛm wonim ɛfɛnsɛ ɛyɛ fɛnek ɔkye wonim ɛyɛ bad ɛfɛnsɛ abrepɔ junction that time no is it Barclays Bank omo aye branch manager ya friend say ekwa fast kudu unim Vodafone Greater Accra marketing manager and my personal friend am ni we UCC ebo pansel onu unim die esi ye you call the few ko ball 3 etuo and because you want power. You want to use cheap way of creating a sense of insecurity. A sense of insecurity. And we say, kind of me and Omuntie. And this is for any shema, kind of for. Or the sense of insecurity, or more the tribalism. Everybody, no, the Bible still thinking so everything will turn. Thinking so a tribalism now, and you see, they are powerful and they are very, very, very good. In fact, we are perfect. The way of us shaping the sense of a tribalistic senses. I say the votarians. But I would say, registration center. Oh, please. Now you say, Untipidia, when you're going to need. And then intimidations, of course, of various registration centers. And then the incidents of shooting and those things. No, Omu said, Ninikwa say yes, sir. Anything on Benda, they can say, dear cost one. You're trading, but it seems that this time around, no, and it's excellent for near money. Is he trying to tell us, say on record, the SCA, our voter registration, our council, young replica of baby. Is he trying to tell us? Now they wouldn't be a friend, and this is for the year, yeah, to what? Wouldn't be a friend, and this is for the year, our tenancy. Electoral violence, you become once a man that said, you become mama incompetence, indecisions, and then said your son, you reporting, said your son, what's on Ghana, and then several corrupt at international level, whatever we Ghana for any mass in the Kawasa. Sure, they always want to carefully shift the goalpost. And American say, when it comes to the crux of the issue, okay, I mean, you only learn this before. You know, the crux of the issues is about comparing achievement, what you can do to better the lives of Ghanaians. But who improve the lives of Ghanaians? That's a Ghanaian who said the security, instead of security. When you see, Ghana have been rated as the most peaceful country in the whole of Africa in 2018. In 2018, and what are you talking about? No, what are you talking about? I want to measure the peace in every country. I rated Ghana for the whole of Africa. What are you talking about? Let me say, the goalpost number person almost shifted on. Don't allow them to go that way. Because I'm in trouble. And yet, me know, because 2016 election, just 2016, yeah. Samson Transo, one of the electoral areas, what in Shayasi constituency. 2 weeks a friend say election. And NDC known your friend a gang leader. And as I got a friend say, boy for that matter, attempted to pick a friend say a ballot box. And really speaking, when it comes to electoral balance, now if it's a John Ramani Mama, as Omudi are going to trust a man, Omudi the job of Fuma. And I don't know your Cassian spelling water, Omudi, a friend of Omuya before. About to trust some more elections, about to trust some I'm sure there. Only the former NDC executive or cheaper, you saw a friend say, I need to also. Being young better, will name his video name, and it is also. If you come on, a friend say, registration, our portfolio. I didn't see why you do my man, at the Guya. Come on, internal voting. Congress, Congress and Mr. Internal voting because you were going to elect and friends a professor. And I'm about to say, if there is one of the friends, the leading NDC executives, said your son, from the book in all time, who really or say, in that premises now, because of Mokotrabophobia, you knew be 7 years old, and Berman woman could not say. And you dining, who read the book now, a dining, people are all past the people there. And I buy to trust him, and this is what year, or more year, if nothing at all, under the 1992 Democratic Dispensation environment. You know, elections through violence. Elections through violence. And then Ghanaians are not doing that. You are not MPP in the 2016 election. If I select that, they are not vigilance. To my Mufonina, and the tree, and the beginning was a Fadia, and you are not one more. And you are only one of us, house of Dozen America, a friend of Bruno. The commission before police only people are found. That's a good one. And about a violence, yeah. List and list the battle.
Cardio. This cinema, I say, has it not done. About 4 years, I said, the name is equal. Having when you're Ghana's out. I saw another when you're Ghana's even.
Indian Simwana. So no, they were sick. But to was an amateur idea. To was an amateur, and I'm a day land the crown. The part under NDC, a person. Only a friend said, member of a city member of parliament near Feno, JB DONKO. And young this a person who here. The patro, what I let my vote count? Gabi Ochidaku Koboko. And yet they blew Gabi Ochidaku. Even a friend said, Justice Ajakuma dear, Menuka Sokata phone. Menuka say, well, your Obusa or more friends say, communication minister or something, okay, or can say, I eat tomatoes and I had or the appetite and then a planting cap at just a phone. And what are they saying? And the air can say, John Ramani has 7 hours, I say, I want to ban. Segregation. You be real now, your tears. So, best me leading.
Right, that because health service. That because health service. Hand sanitizer. A dear Bakoya camp of mine on any Viasina. It is a whoopie, maybe encounter, who could maybe Muna if you any walk, over cabina, if you knew. Not all Yahako fire having a diamond. One in said, no coronavirus, arena bano. The idea couldn't any original hand sanitizer. Now, we original one, if that cause health service for. Chanso and a nose mask. The above here, one over me, who say yes, nose mask above honey, won't tell he what to jam home, but I will be an auto office corner above here, won't say quality one panel. and you come for the amount. So that the cost there no. And then papa Food and Drug Authority agya to. PPs ne there will be able to be ano. Wo further the cost of it me abo na kwa ma obi. We any emra sorry nimeku ahodo banking institutions and have political parties. Wo pese wo to no dodo mu a akonya na bitumi aton e de amount. Yen customize ye hand sanitizer no and have is no smart na kwa so a o bitumi come on to me e de amount. Bo no so de e fom pa. E be o Ghana bia no wetin be to be so no akoton. Me see we original hand sanitizer. Tuwa ba kono another 1 gallon no kind of watch wa no ebe won amount for the 1.5 no yeah they less than 100 Ghana and so very quality a what if I want someone na want someone but James never is bia no e won someone bia so no ebi kono over to me Alfred that the cost was 0240 451245 0240 451245 that the call service e wo Kumasi Kumasi mentia na o betimi komodia na wa fero Kumasi mentia vision man so a na o pe PPs a wodo nyina bi abomoden na efre number 0240451245 na afi oma obi entimi ento ebia na wanya yie na odwene kwampa be fa so betimi yie na waye ne yie sika de be yie no ho ne manyina no me kan for God's way casket etimi e de amount ambulance a ode body ne batumu mortuary ebekofie na ba ko wie mu ewo ba bia wa kosie no sanso na video coverage na ope ana se opesika besia na de yie no obra interest bia eni ho o sanso epe from daka ode besi ode hye no a ne nyina no God's way casket sebra na ontimi mo Kumasi ya na owo odu Kumasi a o se o labor asafu labor run about Fantini town and I'll be hono be free 0243 737457 oso di 1 week ni wi a na abusua pani emfo bia nka ho nko a ana pepa ko pepu ka ho ntuma mne bra na ono nyanye hye o mo sika de yie no amafo na kamade akosie wi a abi sika na beto bia da interest bia no eni ho 0243 737457 ofra obaje so ye ntwa ye homra sema ye ba ye be assess the campaign message, the promises are NPP emeki ahead of 2016 elections. Ma Ghana for one me ye kodi ki umukoto aba ede yetumi ede emama na na kokofo de say oni anim. Ye behwe roads na ya hwe the issue of education na fe ye the one district one factory promise no ede aka ye ba sisia.
Yes, I'm here for Aquaba. And from Sinupi on Kumawood TV. Message Kakamodi Aba Benyamre. Na yakin kind at the amount. Because so far, the 0543 596 You go so a Sinupi. Yesterday, 2016, October 18th. And the NPP launched on manifesto officially. Some day na we got slogans na Dawson and then na Biano Ajigana. Well, on education, page 31 of their manifesto no. Now it talks about education, page 31 to 35, okay, to 33. Now about the education. Musa Jesse, per an assessment going through the manifesto of the NPP on education. Sabri, Omodri. Jesse, be on your manifesto no education. You will ensure a kindergarten access. Access are available for all 4-year-old children in the country. It means that you will build an effective partnership with religious bodies, civil organizations, and private sector in the delivery of quality education. Collaborate with NAT, and other teaching associations to facilitate an affordable housing scheme for teachers. Pay for, ensure that kindergarten, okay, I've said that one, and then we have focus on the provision of incentives that will motivate teachers and reward their hard work in the classroom. Ensure that teachers who upgrade their qualifications and skills are promoted promptly. Prompt promotion. Teachers will be treated with respect, and we will ensure that teachers' salaries and allowances are paid regularly and on time. Moka teacher training allowance moka restoration of teacher training allowances and the day. And then we shall put in place a program to be better teaching of French language in our schools. French languages in our schools. Restore allowances of Arabic teachers. Okay. And then you also talk of restoration of full teacher training allowance and others. Yemusa research fund the various tertiary institutions, and then increase students' loan. Abolish payment of utilities by students. Mamema education no for 4 minutes. Now you touch on education alone. Yes. Yeah, we will come there. So we pursue education. So
on education.
Yes.
Mommy and starting to say. On record. The bar University, okay, by accounting to the people. What we espouse and say 78% of our manifesto promises needed to be done. And I still stand by that.
Okay.
And it is not about figures. The reality will speak for itself. Indeed, with the child camera now, and you see the manifesto, maybe on education.
Education, the area.
And one area.
Okay.
One, on research fund. The part of research fund now, I hear lecturers strike during a year, the SWA administration, John Dramani, Mahama administration.
No, research allowance.
Research allowance.
There's difference between research allowance and research fund.
The research fund, no. Okay, the lecturers sitting down and they said that they want the reversion of. They want us to revert back to the research allowance.
Okay.
So a fund has been created, which is distributed to the lecturers based on that.
As
we speak.
Okay.
So more research funds,
okay.
Then that not alone has also been increased.
Okay.
The research fund now. Okay. Under the Minister for Science and Technology has been increased.
Okay.
Okay, because science and technology research in that. Then secondly, you can idea about one year for pen. Okay, I say tertiary students, okay, are university students are not a more academic user facility fee. Not on the money Mahama Etram. I'm no omutia high utility fees. Wabra na time na no enya eye light in Kenya and ma students in Pono. Now students ni are being compelled to pay electricity bills. And you see, sir, UCC Nibia and not tertiary Nibia from 2014, 2015, 2016. Non-resident, you have a bill of 500 Ghana cedis. So we are resident there, you have a bill of 900 Ghana cedis. On record. Okay, that is the record of Don Dramani Mama. And I have a reversal. And the students are now better off. They are no more paying the utility bills.
Okay,
yes.
You
come.
Okay.
Okay, you come. So the same students are no more paying for. I had the lecture course are no more. Then, instructively, you buy a cassette ultimately. You better reverse a teacher and nursing trainee allowance. Now, I don't have money, mama. A cancel. No. You buy a cancel. Me no cassette yet. Then you go say, don't have money, mama. And then the ferret, and then on a day. Now, Pokwajiman. Okay? I can't move the tax Ghana for say, and no money guy. Now, I 2016. I UCC student nine oko I RCC. Okay? I say omo catch students in the say the I nursing trainee allowance no and not teacher trainee allowance ne ba ne and now tell na mo beto abana my dey ne pa ma. And some go to a tia ya mo ko finye den and to tell. And that is plain record. Okay. And so you catch the Don Dramani Mama say. You see, Nana was started in 2008. Also, what the free SHS Beba. 2015, almost attempted what we call almost a version of free SHS, which was progressively free education. Me no can say from second cycle in Aba. Article 25 of the Constitution says Ghana need a year education. This is the background pay. And the ground pay you acquired over so. I will share skills with me. And then we know because another don't go for the Adama. And this is 4 year 38 adverts. I catch the Ghana for say anything possible. And then we know because 2017 about then me the publication be back at all. Say I don't Dramani Mahama on the NDC. Not only did they do 38 adverts against them, but Don Dramani Mahama on 17th November 2017, I just simply said that Ghana web. I guess on the free SHS now, and about Oba and no whole publication.
Going for it, no, so the can't going for it.
You going for it, please, Penny, Casa, Penny, to the show, and for a long to form and some fanfa. As a man, going forward, to say Ghana, yeah. Your leadership now I try and look now. Okay.
So free SHS my 4 minutes time them on us. The rest no. Me the person responded to. Most of them kindergarten I assess
200 kindergarten 200 kindergarten
across the country.
Across the countries.
200. Then it's not accessible. To all.
Or that be in districts I have 260 districts that time. You see 200 megatron and you obi a year. I mean, instructively, in terms of infrastructural work, don't the money, ma'am, about we see 46 per transition notes on the mind
kindergarten
on education. Oh, we say kindergarten, they see 200. Now tell you, we are meeting Mama go behind
200 no. Even if I will call ABA, which is a Josu Jabia, and I just municipality no kwa no. So, over kindergarten accessible. You may have to put up more than 200 years once a year. Because kindergarten kolano, only 19 free ABA donors on call me. It was a people donors on.
You are not being practical.
Okay.
You are not being practical. And straightforward.
Okay.
And I'm not going to say, private owned kindergarten is more than even a friend said basic schools.
enye no na mo catch the Ghana for
deputy
mo say mo be man accessible
say remember na accessible that don't mean say
okay
say bana say e bia kwa adum na ye wo one minister e wo apampamu amafo e do mo nka ye shaba be si bi adum
na the want me nfa ne bana nko ho ne
why e bi ni 200 now have been placed at where a bini making it accessible.
Okay.
Now me di me anunsi no, me di anunsi no. Me person because a bank infrastructure me yin beba. E be exercise in mediocrity na John Dramani Mahama. Everyone wants something no. Share on record, John Dramani Mahama has added only 800 classroom blocks for the SHS for the 46 now. Omusi you know. Okay. Because you multiply 24 no by 46 now. That is the figure you will be getting. But you buy the 3,000. 3,000. Let me count 3,000 repeat. Classroom blocks are
still on education.
The evidence is there.
But still on education. Mo can say we collaborate with NAT and NAGRAT. Now, mama teacher for any affordable housing scheme.
Affordable housing scheme. You are aware there was a step on it. Then the teacher, there was a step on it where there was going to be some deduction because we are teaching into minimum. Where there was going to be some deductions and teachers backfired. Say, no, abandon is still off for now. And the promises to be now old banner on teacher in your Senecasa. Oh, Miss No, Omuka said the man now abandoned the cost no pay. And right now, Omutia to the trainer abandoned to honor. Omua the Omufan managers never operate. About buying so 3.1 billion not John Dramani Mahama. At you go on what you have to a pugruno. You buy a farmer, a teacher for no. Okay? And you don't know, teacher for 3 years and 2 years pay policy now. Who got 3 years, maybe a mom. Only 2 months salary. No, no, because buy a come. I must say 6 months in job. Can you now?
Must a prompt payment, promotion.
Yes,
also acquire
and you automating now.
Oh, sir.
You automating this.
Minimum situation, and not teacher for be fair complaining, say, promotion by 1 year by a to scale.
And only before 2017, 2018, I bet so. Me look at currently, you automating a year teachers promotion, and every teacher watching me knows. Say, who person will go promotion, and now there is a digital way a bit more examination. Examination.
Now, kakra was become a cut on the banner.
Oh, it takes time because.
And all I'm say money first to say
prompt payment of your basic salary. First, then taking you 2 years near, then we'll make it go fast because not teachers maybe. I train so many friends a month and send a time for interview. Some will call a friends
mobile my year because if you should be my year. I'm a teacher no promotion or call
which is the automation of a promotion, which is over one setting examination instead of going for
first moment, a teacher need promotion and say this month or cultural exams. Now the next month, the promotion letter a bar. How many months any take it teacher under your government? Emma, it me at the incentive canon.
Oh, you make a choice and your automatic process. Until now, it is faster than before.
Okay,
that is what I'm telling you. The evidence is clear.
Yeah, says education. What's it? Omodi I say research fund. No, Omobai, Omasati, nursing training allowance, teacher training allowance, Omotia, teacher for they are better off. Now, affordable housing scheme. No, teacher for 1 night. I say I buy no college kaka. Yes, I'm Komaye. And other issues are what tackle. Me too. Okay.
Send you be a memo woman said you send you can catch a room, a bra, a castle, a draw from pew to bread, one year, and she acquired in she went to me, she had a tea for national force. No falcon is now much here on function. As I say, as a sank of alcohol in she. See, you had this and one brother, papa, or the quam, my son. William say, what can say Obama accessibility with regards to kindergarten and nursery and so on and so forth. Now, what can say, Oko a room school, ben or a private school and Ameboa. Now, if you are going to wounds here, what are you trying to do? Is that an access? Are you making accessibility possible for people la sabi omuntimi afford 3 times meal daily. Those are the people we are talking about. Because said President Kufuor Kase or ye be free. The target should be people who will not be able to pay an amebo. Now be or then a call a mother dial said the end the home cronipa. I 8,000 and over. That's a no be or home was wounds you. A chirawa paya or so. Abawi, water transport first mono. Wouldn't you decati if you machine? Me come in woman who say, Nay, I'm a Fubida. Trotana before. Okay, but they are 2 people more. Near Betumu, a trot room. But Tissimon education, because I didn't manifesto promise. Yes,
education is the first.
Infrastructure. MPP manifesto. I say a boss say, on basic 315 new senior high schools. I want him. His Excellency. And no, my shame me who to the system manifesto. No, me who ever and no, yes, in Pacho.
That we put him right.
Sir, yet the year can't say right. President Kufuor don't any MPP for more disappointed Ghana for Papa. Him. On one of the sister stations or radio station, the Biokofia Sante Boss Adi was say I'll build 350 new schools from scratch to completion. But many would think come any TF4 near her full aid, you know. You didn't come on Manifesto 2016 the Omolon indeed the Okoka no kasa hunu bi sabi our platform so there because what that bio nyame hira bio senior
platform be onko to platform
research allowance ya papa e ka ho asem se de amo
platform be
ono nko an Ghana menti bi
platform be
menti bi hu mpanisem wo yen centralist what be see e start e tue o mo kan so won
research allowance no
research allowance was never abolished. It was replaced with research fund, and then you source for it and so on and so forth. And here, what has changed? PPN has a self-free home. Look, share educational bill like dear bar men and literacy so and so on and so forth.
Book and research allowance restored.
Yo, senior, sir. Affordable houses are President Kufuor can say a teacher for say oba amemwomu obe make sure say teacher for be maybe and so on and so forth. Meaning okay say teacher for no so money ready no nko na say ma work. We a teacher and we in some training. Say what to say affordable houses are about my teacher for the teacher for so mumpa. Kevin Agana for me. Ebini wasa. Say we DONKO ntompo aba utwa nkontompo aduane ebi na ato ni na esi na nyon wa na avan na akoka abeka no President Kufuor do bohye enu twa bebrebe with regards to education for be akwa ko ni I know the wada teacher for obi anu ochi for asempa kodo and na atene na grad I was scheme bi say teacher ni ye ready and so on and so forth on be land amount no tuatwa kakra na mebo na say na ka affordable houses aba na teacher for say yempe ebi ni wasa bibia ni wo chere say be President Kufuor do kra e dan tirim say sa bosha wo she wo in the manifesto in the 2016 manifesto no be ho
in the manifesto also on be bo teacher for pa
ebuo ne de ebuo ne say a teacher for sabi ye ma o call school back utie me ye pa na covid wo mu na yan teste emu ba akokra na ya make sure say the teachers are safe ebuo ne say at the end of the day nkwada na yesese omu ko gu ho so omu wo bi so omu ni bi yan test mo hu nkwada omu wo bi ni nkwada omu ni bi na nka at least ya safeguard the spread and so on and so forth ya two teachers egu so omu nkono mkoti yare anu ni buo bio on say na wo ka say ya do two scale ani etu awoka wo ye teacher ni me wonamfo enum bia o matia me dua so sese e ka kire me say omo upgrading I pending now for almost 2 years in inform to skill
under NPP maybe there is a problem
wunim ebra na ye tua 3 months na nyase ya hye nyina agu
amoyande
na ye audit bi na ye audit because at the end of the day you don't just pay
mama me 3 months mama bia nka ho
bia botre
Me adwuma 1 year 8 months.
Fofie and water.
Did you?
And executive power. And everything was halted. A government that is ready to make sure say obey anything if say and I granted say you work on anya what stops him from paying. Say my governance and your continuing process. And next say end this situation 3 months now the rest in one year. Doesn't mean say MPP bar and this one sing. Isn't not the same concept. What has changed? Nothing has changed. Meanwhile, we were auditing to see, say, one way I don't want to scale in and of course, me know me and no, every other say, even MPP are by or more fighting ghost names, and that was the matter. That was the reason why we had to pay people or more no, you don't want to scale for 3 months, near evaluate to money and say, almost a fantasy, and then you can't come one. I won't buy and I said, those will be in the end, or buy what you are. And of course, no. And she said, you, yes, the same. Na ya hwese ensesan ye papa beba eno no we dada na bibia ni waba meanwhile omo a na mo si yetu omo ka 3 months and so on and so forth say Mike who a living testimony me pa cho president Akufo-Addo ba ya ka 5 months na memu akọwie ye tiama na no de kwa na said the cacophony of noise and ye gu
but omo ye freeze near high school no Omar restore teacher to you.
Free education you able to talk. Free education and the end product you who no TV show. You the president at them. All because president at 400 chopable money from our money. Aqua koto service a pasco. I'm kwadame do omani akoto say since a president Akufo-Addo aka say we no mo ye me ma me do me ma me do omo ni ntino omo do omani koto pasco so ene apasisi omo and so on and so forth. They are not ready, and let me tell you why they are not ready. Say my me no wumi enu you go school 12 months no you go 9 months. Ye wo akoma na edikodi bronya. Ye wa akoma na edidi Easter ene ye wa akoma ye de kote mu eno ne 1 month 2 weeks and ameboa and then wakwada ko school a okodi 3 months o besa be di 3 months of fee preparation ye kire ye de ko kire wa ye can so on and so forth at the end of the day e wa hefa the kids are not ready. Some free SHS here double track ebu yokon and so on and so forth. Senka Professor Mills any John Dramani Mahama memoir uni ne kombaye okay sa badges na be kabom year 1 year 3 year 4 you use 3 months PDC facilities and so on and so forth and obu sami new cases abeka say yesi ba ko and yesi ba ko and yesi ba ko na ye jai double track na good service free education and then you see the end product. The end product, and they say they are relying on Apo it's the president at them. Is that what we want? Right. And I have to see a doctor for
Herbal Center. Dr. Muhammad Isa Abebiu. You see the Pisea na Yaribi or Hubiano near Mount Direction, no Hakoji Iris. I said, Beya, so TV China here, also between Yamuka, now they are here. Yaribi Hubiano, Abusia, Yakanfu, Junat, Ediamasa Cock, na ultimate Amwao. Would you Mamma Domiabra, and now Ubihu doctor say or walk 0249616937. Junat Herbal Clinic. Junat Herbal Clinic. Doctor we oba ye na manfo ni so be diagro. Ennei asantemai ene Ghana ma gina tum say yo doctor ba ko waware na awo na ye de wotin tintin a ho no ye last stop ko ya na atenete etumi e de ama wo. Wonu kunu da na ensuo na wasa firi be ma no ehun ko wo wase ho no esan ba bonten a yare emfa ne kwa oba doctor betumi aboa wo. Wo yo ba pampan pa e wo wase. We hear Drew, brother doctor, stroke, hepatitis, typhoid. Yaribia Hubiano, one so Bekumase, Santasi, Bofudu, Boise Quantimpono, so and Jonat Herbal Clinic, a walk. Doctor Dundru Naba. Na Drew abuse or man wa break, Yenusi or why man to be near Conia Commas Ajabot in the Kama. Now, what then I saw Banes and their torso. One day, Neco Doctor, now would be more. Yaribia Hubiano, Udruk Masia, Ose Ope Santasi. Bofudu ka
ofrope na oduru ha obefre 0244 874341 ofre Dr. Bajo so na afi no aboa ama wayaresa no etumi edi emu message kakra mo de aba mengen kan na afi no yentu ankomo no eso was it evening Ajimendia, greetings to my boss Mr. Jesse. Please tell the NDC communicator to do his research and analyze well next time when he is called for the presentation. Dia no kan ya already who say one can ye. We say good evening. Hi, may God reward you abundantly and protect you always for your good work done. We need fervent prayers from everyone so that the peace would prevail in the country during 2020 elections. From Commander Chreme Nkoko and a Commander Difria Wade Abba. Good evening, Sir Mike. Please, let's be honest to ourselves. Looking at Akufo-Addo from top to down, or the bottom, his pure violence, that is true. You can take it or leave it. I'm message now like a cry at the amame. We say good evening, Mr. Host. Please, it's hardly to hear the sound. Okay, I think say ya hear a home ejuma. Yeah, that's it. So now I the camera at the ama. Okay. Yentu ya homra just sema na yentu aso. Eba desi ya. Right, yes, I'm Akwaba, and from Sinupi on Kumawu TV. Osman Muhammad, was it Sir Mike? Please tell the NPP man to stop this. It's because we are tired of Nana Akufo-Addo incompetency. Okay, also the I don't know. I say good evening. My name is Johnson, watching you live from Kasua. The NDC man is right. NPP has done nothing good for this country. Where did they engage teachers? I'm a teacher. You should point the meeting date for us to challenge him. Okay. I'm Bernard from Takrade. NPP has done 18% of their manifesto. These people are fake and no longer rule Ghana again. Okay. I say, please, I'm called Ima. NPP must stop lying to Ghanaians. Even they cannot pay some of NAPCO trainees allowance to them. One for the amount of boss let here nanka yahre baby a manta wuntu ya no say only August in MI na no crown by Friday na July then MI by Friday na aba Bright Angel Ato from Obuasi also right. Please Mr. Host, Ghanaians should forget about these two parties, NPP and NDC, for our own good. Hi, Sir Mike. Good evening. At what stage did the president wanted to help teachers in affordable housing that they rejected? I am a headmaster at Dobriso in the Western North region. I have never heard of this, and I'm disappointed in the NPP communicator. Well, Father Ebra. Na afi yankinkan emfa ema OPK Goso, visionary and competent Nanado has performed better with free SHS, planting for food and jobs, NAPCO, one district, one factory, one village, one dam, etc. So super incompetent and messageless Mahama and his NDC must give us a break. Well, Father Ebra, even Ambre Akinkan at the
amount. Some of messages no. I see bet me ediaba. Initially, we moved by Mr. Donko, or the Nino, you heba, working kind of amount. Well, I think one district, one factory. A campaign message, Cassia Pa, Muye, Togana Fuina, it's him. Samoba, every district, Ebinya factory, Ghana. And I say a constituency, every constituency, Ebinya, and no constituency, another district. One district, one factory. I was saying, mobile, you know, you will share so, the advice, so your communication officer for the party, oh, in share so, for free share so for my one district, one factory. I was saying,
I'll be far member.
Okay, Mama, 4 minutes.
Yes, I'm member quick information.
Okay,
Oko business news, businessghana.com.
Okay,
on 10th April 2019.
Okay,
and I'm saying this attempt was made by government in 2018.
Okay,
2019, and a deal is sailed through. The deal has sailed through UNOPS, United Nations for Projects, United Nations Office for Projects. From UNOPS and Government of Ghana. New agreement signed between UNOPS, SHS Holdings, and the Government of Ghana to build 100,000 sustainable homes for university students and teachers. Now, more importantly, young mama video cases.
yeah, you got to Bantino, trust me. Now you want to for Danny Biana.
Video cases, and I'm quoting the Vice President of Ghana, Honorable Mahmoud Bawumia, on the event. This initiative with UNOPS is a game changer in the Ghanaian housing market. The Minister of Education of Ghana, Honorable Matthew Poku Prempeh, said the Ministry of Education and the Government of Ghana are very excited over our inclusion in the UNOPS Sustainable Housing Project and the proposed 100,000 units for teachers and students accommodation. We eagerly look forward to the success of this project, as it will go a long way when implemented to help alleviate the accommodation challenges of our country that our country faces.
Yeah, Bear.
2019.
I was saying, and the 6th day.
Mike, as someone make a mistake on the immigration, and these buildings are going on for schools or SHS schools. Me picture unless you don't want
affordable housing scheme no the schools mama teacher ni me call retirement obi akotrem ana na mo kan de mo be say mo teacher ni mo bo teacher na ma na timi asi am call retirement
akotrem na make sure say no fund managers so mo tier 2 and you mo tier 3 will cater for that. But teachers and go school akosuya de no they needed affordable homes.
And I'm
say ABR was on one musica. And now make us say, over 1,000.
Okay,
obsessions. Scattered.
You better follow up. You better follow up on that. You got one district. One no, mama 4 minutes. What the can I just wait 2 minutes. The uncle. For me, start away. So honey free. Honey tea. Honey kasa. One district.
Boats and lots.
I will find.
Boats and lots.
Okay, if I show man kasa me. Bajo kasa me.
I will share so I share so. Instructively, the Greater Kumasi, which is KNA, and Lulu is taken as a metropolitan. Yet a friend said, Asuka, I'm talking
about one district.
Every district. Yes, that's it. Every shares. Yeah, one constituency, one factory.
Okay,
and that is the list.
Both are not. Trust me.
Okay, please.
Trust me.
Who see be that? Who see commanders you got back here? You see here.
Trust me, Odaro.
I think you can go back. And over 181, and this is the list.
But Ghana for 80
Ghana for 80. Ghana for say Maro Forestry Limited, manufacturing of veneer and plywood, Section Afran Place. Ashanti, please. Oh,
but my name you know as can work to us.
Let me your
I'm gonna make a to us.
One more time. Kaskazini Limited. I will be pie municipal.
I'm here
I'm processing of palm and kernel oil.
Okay.
Ashanti region, then I'm watching. Oba Obibini Black Man Company. And this, I will stress on this. When we set off the one district, one factory initiative, no, it is in the policy document. We never said, say, a bar. Every district be no, your papa will see. A friend say, factory. But why your existing factory? NDC mismanagement. And do so many bad don't guarantee. Or more good one, okay? I don't want to collapse. Okay? We believe Black Man collapse.
Oh, sir.
Yes.
Those companies were collapsed.
A friend said. A friend said. Breathe. Didn't therefore, a friend said, I went to Cote d'Ivoire to do their bottling. Baby. Okay? La next services we do a friend said,
unfortunately, time now. Oh, Bobo, do that, Bobo. Mama, 1 minute account, Bobo, Mami. Just be mentioning them.
Agricultural, Industry and Commercial Products, AICP Limited. Pabri Municipal, processing of charcoal into activated carbon and related products. Material be over a year, as someone and Yabua farms, running and processing of poultry and related products. At the map, and over a year, Unij garments, and then Unij, you know something starting, and the accounts testers now affording. You know, accounts testers have already been existing, and then by a few years, okay. The evidence is clear. I am managing and directors. Like I said, yet the air and one uniform no coming now. Yeah, allocate them or more. I do my money before. And the one district, one factory, I got to buy. You buy, say, the one collapsing industries. Then build new ones. And now go a confia. I mean, I see. Kumasi Metro. I have 5 constituencies, if I'm right. How many? 1 district, 1 factory. Does that make it?
Baby, I bet 3 within this 5 constituencies.
Does that make it 1 metropolitan? Or does that make it 1 district or 5 districts?
1.
Yeah, 260. Are you going to say, sir, Kumasi, our 5 constituencies, you are going to count?
So, what's my saying? What do you know about 181? Juma. Okay. Means you.
President Jakufo do na SMP so ka kire ye se wo ba obesi factory e wo district bia be nya 1 factory. Minu list of wo yi nyina am for companies so. Say Mike, unim say PPP ho. Public private partnership. So Obekaya Obama, it got to a time now local and for that matter indigenous companies air conform US or China or Bebisian at the best one massing. The reason why your yes Ejina said one more year more when you US and map. And a baby our utmost responsibility is to be making sure that one man who better most especially at my send a baby on Sabacom and 1 army. Yes. And PPP it has existed under any government under this Fourth Republic. In the news. So President Akufo-Addo catch a Ghana for say what the Juma Baba say existing companies in one can't say or building 1 district 1 factory.
But I said maybe I can't say my name Freddie Blake. The then acting chairman didn't come on this issue. Emma Okan say, Omuba, buy any BCB. Na Ankran Cross of the no sono. Oma Buashi Mukan in account.
And I make us say, PPPDA has existed under every government in this Fourth Republic.
Okay.
Tobinco. And Boris B. no more under President Mahama had same, incentives to at least. So on so na Ghana for a year at the end of the day. me and maintain your jobs and so on and so forth. Now, the collapse of banks. It's a direct and indirect jobs about 500 now. Ghana for the zoo. At the end of the year, can say we use 24 billion at the good banks. Whereas I'm within 9 billion per aso on one senior moment. One, deposited fund will be safe. Two, direct and indirect jobs I can call 500,000. At least keep it in it. It's a net. President Akufo-Addo Bosha was share Ghana for one district, one factory. Factory I want one casa on a sister station. So obviously 216 factories, and of course 2017 Ubekaya. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Emma Ghana 40 years say by end of 2017 now 50 factories are ready and so on and so forth. What can say boy among 4 companies no name and so on and so forth. How significant is it to the Ghanaian economy with regards to say you employ people? Okay, I'm Ali speaking from Ofinso for more for Nana for restoring trainees allowance. I enjoyed, and my little brother has also enjoyed free SHS. Enjoy free SHS. God bless you, Mr. President. NDC has nothing good to offer Ghanaians. Let's give Nana 4 more years to do more. Good evening, Samai. God bless you for your effort. President Akufo-Addo has all his promises, so let's vote him. Okay. Good evening. Nanado has disappointed our NPP party. I am really NPP member, said by Jacqueline Michael from Bumbuna Northern Region. I believe some Abukruni. Was it, hey, please, where is the Bekwai one district, one factory? Please. I want where it is. Which of the Bekwai town? I'm at Bekwai. M cross Bekwai. Okay, my cross the answer. I don't know. Well, say NPP always changing their mouth today, this tomorrow. That's shame on to you. Okay. We say good evening. In the Western region, Count Shama, Takwade proper, Evaluate Elembele, Jomoro. Where do you see one district, one factory? These people are not serious, you say, Mike. Okay, maybe I'm on 0200 603 602 0200 603 602. As usual, Obama, volume of a TV na conform. Now what you who phone na et me at unka ye. Which me afraid na fe yet unka. Good evening, sir. Please, it's Mustafa from Besianse. Concerning about the Arabic teachers, I'm part of them. In fact, it's very sad. Since 2018 to date. Okay, I'm in fact course. Maybe I'm Mustafa. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Nana many people in a casa fino mubesi dinner second accounting for school more than 100 or something. Mahama ya data. What is school at the school diner? So over the come, Mama Casa, Yamia do more about 2020 or be Pierce and Brema worker. Afraid to almost on the common fund beba. And your mother bro, Kuma and Queen, who had the case center, and then a local father cinema. Wow, we beat that. Some of your choirs and says, and the you got them against it, yes, and because of that, the local father's idea of the same of them, and a very said, no, many are pottery way, but dear.
Yanasi. Hello, good evening.
Hello?
Good evening.
Good evening, boss. Apoman.
Namia do me ahoya pa, dey be free.
Your friend is SK Kwasi Isako.
Abano free.
Hello? I want this one party here, who be who handy, and then press it or why be.
O one you fine.
Because Isako.
Isako Western region. Okay.
I want this one party here, and you are.
Okay. Isako is in Western region, Evaluate. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, you are free.
And I'm patron, me kasa free this one.
I just saw yenti or hima.
Me patron MPP man no dey kana chow. Yen in a gun and yo, yen be a question in a chair, one village, one that would be any best beer or matching.
Okay. Right. Nasi. Hello, good evening.
Hello, boss, Madre.
Majo, so I never leave a free.
Now, what to say?
I don't. Would you be free?
Yo, make a free Western off.
Okay.
The friend of power.
Okay, power into you.
Catch and this in the fair. We did now and honor. Now, you know, I want grassroots, no. You know, there. Nana, form of Nana, why?
Okay.
Yes,
that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Would you be free?
I'm trying to say.
I had me on your power.
Only a bit more jumbo money. My boy, my daughter was it.
Good. Ujami nti on
ya hano o ma penia be gu afa ma afa tete kiste den kakano odi tiko ana mate side one ma afa ne so se mate side ne so ma penia bojuma ama bo ase sabre dia ese Johan is no me mo ma penia ba so omo for na omo to do more.
Okay. Ujami that's it. Hello, good evening. Ma uti velo ne nkofo na ye nte wonka padaroma Matthew volume no for the on phone. Ofra now my the volume of TV set na form na ya tonka e phone. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Mama, me chere be free.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening, me patron it say patron me free Kumasi.
Okay, yenti o.
Me patron me free Kumasi.
Yenti o kasa.
Hello.
Yeti o kasa. Okay. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Udi e be from free.
Me patron ka say Achimoda.
Okay. Why my yenti o?
Me patron ka say NDC ni say onye di na ye for more for Nana to do more. Nana do obet one in Yumato.
Okay.
Nagan.
Yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening.
No, me say be part of your one question to be only a be mo jani.
Okay.
O trouble fight. If you can say Bujaria, o do be police barrier no na. Those responsible mo ye ho kataka. After puwa officeman petrol. The be part the mia ma we to so be yo.
Okay.
Apra.
Okay, Ujam, yeah, that's it. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, I'm free.
If I show me the Oreku, me can say free Kumasi.
Oreku yenti on free atensu.
If I show me can so boy me now Ubusa yes a PPP the NDC me not to want to say. On fan it says nimba eye baku 10. Na say omumina eco school. Na nyame adaroma watime chi emu 5 school. No it mean chi emu 5 school fees ah. And it says, oh, yeah, Japoniana. I don't know the main part.
Okay.
And I could go back to 4 years in you. You will be a such a and in my power. I am but not use only 2 foot so will pay because you paying in our organ has it. You mean, Obi but not so close to 8 years. Yeah, I said, I want to be packed. Yeah, it's 1%, 4 years, one other national. People are for.
Okay, yeah, Nasi. Hello, good evening. Hello. Oba normal TV will not phone what tie ye ever phone move out from am say on one tie. Hello, good evening. Okay, well. Hello, good evening. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Would you have free?
Hello, good evening.
Would you have free?
Me doing the Alice me kasa free Kumasi.
Alice yentio.
Me doing the Alice me kasa free Kumasi.
Alice yentio kasa.
Me pato kasa NDC ni say. Won susun kasa. Number na to 8 years no o ma anya hwe.
Okay. NDC ni nati. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Would you have free?
I'm Bernard from Takrade.
Takrade. Okay. When it Kaza.
For sure, the same people, but not on that. Once you're there, our fire was in the Western region. One year, nothing. What's your post or Western region now? It is over the camp. Visitors. That was done nothing. Look up there, that barely 80%.
Okay. Let us see. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, be free.
But we're quite.
Be quiet, ain't you?
The passion, the person that can say, a man, Bano, OBC 1 district, 1 factory. See, I can't be Omo Ede, Omumre Abbey, because the Busa says, Overdo, Assassin, and I overclass as well, and we're Patrana.
Okay, yeah, I see. You have a phone in here. And as I've acquired the idea, and as is not on more than now, Ujambama, Boabibu, set the quiet and assassin moved you so. And I say, Mary and Amokan was saying. Was it good evening, sir? Please, it's Mustafa from Besianse. Concerning the Arabic teachers, I'm part of them. In fact, it's very sad. Since 2018 to date, we have not been paid. Even as at now, I'm sick and I have to go to hospital. Where can I get money? So please pay us NPP. They employed us at Ekunfi district. Okay, thanks. And the Arabic teacher needs why 2018 to date. Nakatu am nobody day. They be hand abusuan for. Well, I'm not so. Yes, sorry. Never said that Emma Mohis Herbal Center. That is called health service. Do not Herbal Clinic. And I have no God's way casket. Say omo aso asene me ade jumadi no. Etumi ade ebremo. Just 15 seconds. Now yeko. Yes, obani Moro. Yes.
See Okasama MPP wo nshia so. One district, one factory, one mobile power, and Tinyamo, one baby and order.
As in I must be
both and not so municipal and Asqua.
Motorate Asqua, and never true.
And never true.
Okay.
Asqua. And it is a war no in share. So now Casamo communications officer and Papa so what that communication one Casa. And so I never one more. A child baby.
Merci.
Mike. The time and 2016, they manifested about out now. The patronage of quite a municipal. It's a one one. Now we need local governance now. See, I am here to see. Oh, but I am telling now the overtime. But you see, make us some. Me, I don't know Western Nigeria. Fienza Industries, processing of coconut.
Oh, okay. And I'm mentioning this year, Honorable Kwesibo, 34 Kiwa. Right, yeah, they see now. I don't watch now. Yeah, so you might hear Sinupi on Mondays to Fridays, 4:30 to 6:30 p.m. And yeah, they brew. Memphis said that, and for Emma, Hotel TV, na O'Hare. Onso a wutie online me dey Michael nana admako say Mike nyame eya adom a ochina ebehia yakra
ba na ka do di aba na ka onso say e ba e say this